Your crappy selfies deserve to fly. DJI Mini 2AC Drone. No license, no drama, just epic. Let's be real, your phone's aerial shots from the top of a parking garage aren't cutting it. You're stuck with shaky footage, sketchy angles, and wasted hours trying to stitch together something halfway decent. You're trapped in a loop of low effort, low quality, low attention content, and you're tired of being ghosted by likes. Say goodbye to unreliable drones that ghost you mid-flight or make you feel like you need a pilot's license to shoot a backyard barbecue. The DJI Mini 2AC swoops in like a cinematic savior with QHD video, auto-return, and beginner-proof controls. Finally, a tool that lifts you up, literally. Now, let's crank up the drama. Ever missed the perfect moment because your drone said, "Nah bro, we done?" You're not alone. With a 10 km video transmission range, 31 minutes of max flight time, and beast mode wind resistance up to 38 km per hour, this bird laughs in the face of gusts and rage quits. And did we mention it's under 249 grams? That's lighter than your guilt from quitting leg day. No FAA drama. No registration. Just unregulated sky freedom. Check your local laws before you go full Top Gun. This baby is compact, foldable, and down for every wild road trip or quiet Sunday flex. Don't even sweat the "how do I use this" panic. DJI's Fly app holds your hand without mansplaining, guiding you with pro-level templates and one-tap cinematic moves. Want a spiraling Helix shot? Circle that hotdog stand like it's a Hollywood star. Boomerang your dog. Rocket your crush from the clouds. It's all drag and brag easy. And if you totally space out or lose signal, the Mini 2AC goes no worries and auto-returns home. You'll fly like a pro, even if you still burn toast. But wait, let's talk flex. The DJI Mini 2AC ain't just smart, it's smooth. A 3-axis gimbal keeps your footage stable, not seasick. The 12MP stills and 2.7K vids? Crisp enough to make your Insta followers weep. Add in 4x zoom, and now you can capture, from a distance. Plus, built-in panorama modes make your lame vacation views look like movie posters. And those filters and auto-edits in the DJI app? They slap harder than your bestie on karaoke night. This drone is not just a flying camera. It's your permission slip to ditch boring. To film differently. To vibe higher, literally. Whether you're out to shoot sunsets or finally get that one cool shot everyone assumes you paid a pro for, the DJI Mini 2AC is your ticket. Compact, crazy capable, and controversy-free, unless you crash into your neighbor's grill, it's the drone your selfies have been crying out for. Ready to flex on gravity? Then go grab your wings. This sky ain't gonna film itself.